Bluebird earth augers were developed for the preparation of land destined for post-driving, reforesting, and the planting of fruit trees on hillsides or mountains, even where slope is high, and are indispensable tools for farming and forest management, garden centers, and construction yards. The drills, bits, and blade are built in high-thickness steel, where the reduction unit gears are constructed in case-hardened tempered steel. The Bluebird earth augers let you work in the most complete safety and finish the job in remarkably short time.